5,000 rupees per month. That's what? 2 dinners? A few movie tickets? But this small amount can quietly become 1 crore rupees. Not because of luck, not because of secret tips, only because of compounding. Let me tell you about Ramesh Uncle. He was an accountant in Pune. Simple life. Average salary. In 1998, a colleague suggested SIP, 3,000 rupees every month. He didn't understand markets. He just never stopped. Years passed, crashes came, news scared people. Ramesh did nothing. He kept investing. Today, that discipline is worth more than 1 crore. No predictions, no trading, just patience. Most of us believe wealth needs big salary, or big risk, or 1 lucky stock. Truth is different. Most crorepatists are built by 1 boring habit. Monthly investing. Let's see the math. 5,000 rupees SIP. Assume 12% long-term return. This is only illustration, not a promise. After 10 years, about 11.5 lakh. After 20 years, about 50 lakh. After 25 years, close to 1 crore. Notice this. First 10 years gave 11 lakh. Next 10 years added almost 40 lakh. Early years, you work for money. Later years, money works for you. That is compounding. Slow at first, then powerful. Think of a mango tree. Year 1, you water daily. Nothing happens. Year 2, small leaves. Year 5, a few fruits. Year 15, hundreds of mangoes. You didn't work harder in year 15. The tree simply grew strong. Investment is the water. Time is sunlight. Market is soil. All 3 must stay. But there are hard truths. Returns are not straight. Some years plus 18, some years minus 10. Markets will fall again. And most people stop exactly then. Success is not intelligence. It is consistency. 4 mistakes destroy compounding. First, stopping SIP in crashes. Falling market is discount, not danger. Second, chasing hot tips. People leave SIP for quick trades. Usually they lose. Third, starting late. 25-year-old with 5,000 SIP beats 35-year-old with 15,000. Fourth, expecting fast results. 2 years feels slow, so people quit. Compounding punishes impatience. Rewards discipline. How to start today? Begin small. Even 1 or 2,000 is fine. Use auto debit. Make investing invisible. Increase SIP with every salary hike. 500 more each year changes future. Check portfolio once a year. Not every week. Ignore noise. Your job is only to continue. Remember Ramesh Uncle. He said one line, "I didn't become rich because I was smart. I became rich because I didn't quit." 5,000 today feels small. 20 years later, it changes life. This is not financial advice. Only education. Do your research or consult an advisor.